Hi guys, so glad to see you again. So since you enjoy pancakes for breakfast, why not boost these pancakes with omega-3? I know if I was making them for you, that is exactly what I would do for you. And why would I do that? Because I realize there's so many benefits to omega-3. But don't take my word for it. According to Food and Nutrition magazine, which is published through the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, omega-3 essential fatty acids support heart health, reduce inflammation in the body, lower risk of developing eczema, and helps with brain health. So let's get started so you can see exactly how I do the simple solution of adding omega-3 into pancakes. First, I just grabbed some pancake mix, and you can grab anything that you have on hand. I have Hungry Jack right here. And then I took some flaxseed. Here's Bob Mills flaxseed. Added it to the dry mixture of the Hungry Jack pancake mix. And then you just do the regular instructions on that pancake mix. Mixed it all up. Cooked up the pancakes, and here they are. They look pretty good. And the kids liked them. I'll show you a little video of the kids being surprised that they had flaxseed in their pancakes. Okay, do you guys ate all the pancakes?
Yes.
Did you like them?
Yes.
You know I added something to them.
What?
Banana. Is it banana?
No, that's not normal.
What was it? Looks like rice or something.
I added flaxseed to the
What?
pancakes.
What's that?
You added flaxseed to
Yeah,
our
it's
pancakes?
good for you.
Well, it didn't taste it.
Ah.
It didn't taste it.
It tasted great. I
so
tasted cinnamon
awesome.
and banana. I know.